Hello everyone, this is Bharat and welcome to my channel. So Aj, be with me because I am taking you to some of the beautiful parks in and around England and we go on a long trail. Hello guys, so just about to enter Isto Park. So it's a pretty good place, very very calm और ये बहुत पास है. So अगर आप लोग बेसिक स्टोक स्टेशन पे हो, it's very near to that and it's very near to the festival place as well. So this is the festival place and it's like 500-meter walk from there. बहुत ही सुंदर सीगल्स हैं यहाँ पर एंड आज बोटिंग भी खुली हुई है. सो या पीपल आर हैविंग अ गुड टाइम ऑन दिस लॉन्ग ईस्टर वीकेंड. This is the boathouse, East of Park in Basingstoke. So यहाँ पे you can see guys, yeah, we have pedal boat, children's playground, cafeteria, boating lake, and a lot of stuff to do over here. So here we are to War Memorial Park. बहुत ही अच्छा place है. It's a very big park. It has a lot of activities to do. So here is the War Memorial. So this is the park. I'll show you guys. It's very near to the town center and here we are. It's a big park. आगे जाके वहाँ पे कुछ cricket grounds हैं, tennis grounds हैं, and there are a lot of other playing areas where you can play. So यहाँ पे लोग आते हैं शाम में अपना you bring your own food, beer and all, wine and enjoy with family. I think अभी ईस्टर वीकेंड चल रहा है तो लोग आते हैं, बैठते हैं और आराम करते हैं. They enjoy, they come with kids. So yeah, I'm back. I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned to see more beautiful places in and around England. Tab tak ke liye, enjoy, be happy. Bye bye.